little something for the Apple II. This is an Apple IIc running a basic program called Turkey. And it's a little display of a turkey for Thanksgiving. And if you don't like that, we got a Cornucopia, which is another basic program from Family Computing Magazine, 1984, November, and the turkey's from December or November of '83. And this puts on a little display like that. It's something you can put on during Thanksgiving. You're having party people over or something. This little interesting display piece. Thanks for watching this. This is Swinecraft. If you like it, please like, subscribe, comment. Bye.